Welcome back again. In our previous videos, we gave a general introduction to the 8 parts of speech, and then we studied nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs separately. If you have not watched those lessons, I strongly encourage you to refer to our previous videos for deeper understanding. In today's lesson, we are going to bring 2 important parts of speech together and clearly explain the difference between adjectives and adverbs, using simple definitions and many examples to avoid confusion. 1. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. It gives more information about a person, place, thing, or idea. Adjectives answer questions such as what kind, which one, how many. For example, in the sentence, she is a kind teacher, the word kind is an adjective because it describes the noun teacher. Similarly, in they live in a big house, the word big describes the noun house. Without adjectives, our sentences would be very plain and unclear. 2. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Dips. More information about how, when, where, how often, or to what extent an action happens. In the sentence, she speaks clearly. The word clearly is an adverb because it describes how the verb speaks is done. In he arrived late. The word late tells us when he arrived. Adverbs help us understand actions and situations more precisely. 3. Key difference between adjectives and adverbs. The main difference is very simple, but very important. Adjectives describe nouns, while adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. For example, compare these 2 sentences. He is a careful driver, and he drives carefully. In the first sentence, careful is an adjective because it describes the noun driver. In the second sentence, carefully is an adverb because it describes the verb drives. The meaning is related, but the function is different. 4. Adjectives versus adverbs. In similar forms, many adverbs are formed by adding lie to adjectives, but not all words ending in lie are adverbs. For example, quick becomes quickly, happy becomes happily, and slow becomes slowly. 2. However, words like friendly, lonely, and lovely are adjectives, not adverbs. For instance, she is a friendly person, uses friendly as an adjective describing person. You would not say she speaks friendly. Instead, you would say she speaks kindly. 5. Position in a sentence. Adjectives usually come before a noun or after a linking verb. For example, it is a difficult question, or the question is difficult. Adverbs, on the other hand, can appear in different positions in a sentence. For example, he quickly finished the work, he finished the work quickly, or quickly, he finished the work. This flexibility is one key difference between adjectives and adverbs. 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Very common mistake is using an adjective instead of an adverb after a verb. For example, she sings beautiful is incorrect. The correct sentence is, she sings beautifully, because the word beautiful describes the verb sings. However, she has a beautiful voice is correct because beautiful describes the noun voice. Understanding what the word is describing will help you avoid these errors. 7. Quick comparison summary to summarize. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns, while adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Adjectives tell us what something is like, and adverbs tell us how something happens. Both are essential for clear and expressive communication. That brings us to the end of today's lesson on the difference between adjectives and adverbs. We have already covered the general introduction to the 8 parts of speech, as well as detailed lessons on nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Please refer to our previous videos for deeper explanations and practice. If this lesson helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Hyab Academy for more clear and practical English lessons.